Hey guys, it's Alexandra, and today I'm going to be filming. I should close my window because these airplanes, again, this happened in my last vlog. But anyway, today I'm going to be filming a vlog style pack with me video. I am going to Florida for 6 days, 5 nights, 6 full days, and I wanted to show you guys what I'm bringing along with me. So, a little backside information, backstory. I am going with my best friend and then my boyfriend and 2 of our friends. So my boyfriend and 2 of our friends are driving there. They wanted to drive. It's a 20-hour drive from New York, so bless their souls. They drove last year and they really liked it. Oh my god, I think I'm getting a cold, of course, when I go to Florida, but they are going for, they're leaving today. So they're leaving today and I'm leaving tomorrow. They're leaving around 5 o'clock, so they get there when my best friend and I land. We're flying because me and 20-hour drives do not work. All 3 of them drove last year. They loved it. Let them rock. Let them do what they gotta do. They wanted to drive. They love the experience of driving. You know what? Good for us. I get to give them a bag. We get to have a car there, all that stuff. We are staying in South Beach. Our hotel is literally like 5 blocks from the beach, so I am so excited. Alright. A lot of you guys are gonna be like, why are you packing so much stuff? I'm not. I'm literally not. I'm just somebody who knows what I need to take. I'm a very like organized packer. I am going to Florida for 6 days, so I need a bunch of bathing suits. Like, I'm not going to be at the beach from morning to night. So if I go to the beach, I want to change it up. I have an obsession with bathing suits, so I am bringing a lot. I need a daytime outfit. I need beach cover-ups. I also need a nighttime outfit. We are going to go out to eat literally every single night, so I do want more dressier clothes. You guys will see what I'm packing. So for luggage, I'm taking a small carry-on suitcase, which is where I'm putting all my clothes, which is the bag that I'm going to be like taking as my carry-on. Then I'm taking my Longchamp bag as like my personal carry-on because I'm allowed to have like 2 technically. And then I'm giving my boyfriend a bag like this, which I'm putting in my makeup, my toiletries, my beach stuff, and my shoes because that's really heavy. I don't want to check in a bag if they could take a bag for me. And also I don't have to worry about, you know, any of my stuff getting damaged or anything like that. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Okay, let's start. I have everything laid out here. Everything that I'm taking. You guys are probably like, wow, this is so much stuff. What are you doing? It's really not. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm taking, why I'm taking everything. Like, I'm really not taking a lot of stuff. I really do think that I'm underpacking. I always take extra clothes just in case. You never know what's gonna happen. I did pack very smartly. You guys will see I took enough stuff for every day, an extra outfit. Like, I have nighttime outfits and daytime outfits. That's why it seems like I'm taking so much clothing. But I'm not, and you guys will see how I pack it and all that stuff. So without further ado, let's hop right in. Okay, so here's an overview of everything that I'm taking. My beach stuff, I'm gonna go in depth in a second. Bathing suits, clothes, shirts, all that stuff, which I'll get into in a second. Here I have toiletries and shoes, so I'm gonna go in depth with everything that I'm taking. Here I just have my dresses and more nicer outfits that I wanna wear out. Again, we are going for 6 days, and every day we're gonna go out to dinner. Even if we're gonna go somewhere more fancy, somewhere more casual, I do have options. So I'm taking one black maxi dress, which I could also wear like to the beach as a cover-up or just like out. You could dress it up, dress it down. I'm taking this dress, which I just got from Forever 21. It's really nice. It's just flowy. Then I'm taking this white romper, which is a little more dressier. And then I am taking this dress, which I'm so excited to wear. I got it for Florida. And then also under here, I do have this flowy, more dressier top, which I do want to pair with white jeans, shorts, or long jeans, depending on how the weather is at night for dinner. Moving on to this pile right here, these are all my shirts. Now, I did take more shirts than I definitely need to, but the reason for that is that if I go to the beach and I'm wearing one of these like lighter tank tops or anything like that, I'm not going to be doing laundry, and I'm not going to go and wear a shirt again that's like salty and like sweaty and all that stuff. So I have this top, which I have matching bottoms to over there, which I'll show in a sec. It's such a cute 2-piece outfit to wear. Then I brought this like super light shirt if I want to wear it out in the morning or to the beach. I brought this red tube top. Then I have this nude top right here. More tube tops. I have a white one and a black one just in case it matches with like all my shorts and all my bottoms. another top for like a beach cover up. I wanted to bring this white top just in case. I have another pink tube top, this bright tank top just in case. I'm probably gonna use it as a beach cover up with shorts, and then this nude tank top. So I do have more shirts than I definitely need, but just in case. Moving on to bottoms. So for flowy shorts, I have two. I have these super cute printed ones from Fashion Nova, and then these like nude flowy ones from Forever 21. And then for denim shorts, I'm taking these, which my friend made fun of me. She said they look like circus shorts, but I love them. I think they're so fun. And then I have a pair of dark wash ripped denim, and then just a pair of white denim jeans. Again, jeans I could wear multiple times, while shirts I feel like gross doing that. And then I have three more bottoms here. So I have these flowy long pants to go with that top. I think they're super cute, so I hope I wear this outfit. I brought a denim skirt just in case. And then I always bring a pair of long jeans wherever I go. If I go to Florida, Dominican Republic, anywhere tropical, anywhere nice, I always bring a pair of long denim jeans just in case. You never know if it's gonna get really cold at night or what the case may be. You want the options. Then over there, I have my bathing suits. So here I have all my bottoms, all my tops, and then I'm bringing two one-piece bathing suits just in case for like pictures or whatever the case may be. I love bathing suits and I need my options. I'm probably gonna, let's say we go to the beach twice, I'm gonna wear two different types of bathing suits. So that's just the ones I'm taking over here. And then those are just the bags I'm gonna put them in. Now moving on to this area over here. Here I just have like PJs. So I brought like 3 different tops to sleep in, 3 different bottoms. And then we have like my bras, bralettes, all that stuff. My jewelry. I am bringing just one extra little purse, which is this one from Guess. And I'm going to show you guys. I am bringing this Kate Spade wristlet and then this long chain bag, which is like my carry-on bag, but the Kate Spade wristlet's going to be in there. So if I want a black little purse or if I want this, I'll do that. It's fine. I have underwear. I'm supposed to get my period, so just in case to sleep with at night, I have like full-size underwear, then thongs. Jewelry, not taking that much. I always put my jewelry in here, which you guys will see. Okay, so this little area is like my beach stuff. So in here I have this little Girl Boss bag, which I always bring to the beach with me to put like my sunscreen in here, my phone, anything like that, because it is like water resistant. But in here I put like pads, tampons, and panty liners, just in case if I get my period, you know, or if anybody else gets their period. Well, it's only me and Alicia going that are girls, but just in case we get our periods, you know. I always take a hat to the beach just in case if I want to cover up my face. Then I'm bringing these two little like, what would I call these? Like, I don't know, to lay on the beach with. So they're like nice, so I don't use my towels up for that. And then I have this little denim cover up, which I always bring with me every single time I go to the beach, just in case it gets chilly in the car on our way back, whatever. And I got this cute beach cover up, so I want to take it. And then I am bringing 2 towels. So how cute is this one? I just got it. And then I'm bringing my Victoria's Secret one. Oh my goodness, I totally forgot. I have a beach bag under here. It's from Vera Bradley and it's super cute. I'm also taking that because of course we're gonna need somewhere to put all of our stuff in. And then I do have 2 outerwear items. I always bring it no matter what. So I have a denim jacket if I want to wear it like out if we're going out to dinner and something more fancier. You never know if it's going to be cold. Like even if I come back to New York or whatever the case may be. And then just this little white cropped sweater for a more casual look. So that is like all my like clothing, jewelry, all that stuff. Now moving on to this little area. Here I basically have a curling iron. My best friend's bringing a straightener, so I'm bringing the curling iron. We like talked about this. So then I have this just to clip our hair if we need to, a brush, a comb, my little Vera Bradley bag, which everything's gonna go into. I have 2 sunscreens. She's bringing tanning lotion and aloe. I have body wash, shampoo, conditioner, a little moisturizer for my face, dry shampoo, face wash, toothpaste, this, which I love for my hair, eye cream, a little body spritz, a deodorant, and some lotion, and then of course Q-tips in this. My friend is bringing like the micellar water from Garnier, which we used to take off our makeup, and then I do have to put in my toothbrush and my razor in there, and then she's bringing like shaving cream, so we did tuck that out. Moving on to shoes, I'm just bringing 4 pairs of shoes. I'm bringing these shoes. I have a lot of pink stuff and I think they're so adorable and so Florida vibes. I got them for the trip and I've been wanting these for so long, so I'm excited to wear them. They're from Sam Edelman and I'm probably gonna wear these on the plane, and then like also in my Longchamp bag I'm gonna put my Tory Burch flip-flops in. So I'm bringing these flip-flops, which I'm gonna wear a ton for the beach, all that stuff. I love these flip-flops. Then I'm bringing these blue sandals just to like switch it up, so I'm not always wearing these or these. And I do have some blue, so I love these. They're definitely nicer, and a lot of the outfits that I want to wear like at night have blue in it. And then I'm just bringing 1 pair of wedges to go with everything. If I feel like wearing wedges every night, I'll do that. If not, then you know, I'll definitely wear them once though. So that's for shoes. So I was gonna choose between this bag to give to my boyfriend or this one. But I think I'm leaning towards this one just because this one's more flimsier. They both are really spacious. Or this one. Yeah, I'm probably going to use that, like, this bag, to be honest. Alright, so let the montage roll. It is loud in my room, but I packed this bag, so that's all done. Then in here, I'm also gonna put my bathing suits. And lastly, what's gonna go in here is my makeup, which I'm gonna do right now. Guys, I just got home and I'm sweating. It is so hot outside, and I had to rush home. My boyfriend's taking my bag from me in like 5 minutes, and I wanted to finish filming this video. So, for makeup, this is all I'm taking. So I'm just taking some foundations because I don't know how dark I'm gonna get. Primer, some strobe cream, concealers, eyebrows products, my mascara, 1 highlighter, 1 blush, some lip products, my Mario Badescu spray, beauty blender, baking beauty blender, what's this, eyelash curler, tweezers, some brushes. And then I am also taking this makeup in here, which I'm taking on the plane with me. So like my powder, a few other brushes, my Hoola bronzer, some lip balm. And I'm also going to take my colored powder, but that's like all I'm taking. I'm not going to really wear eyeshadow, and if I want to do anything for eyeshadow, I could just use my highlighter, my bronzer, my blush. Very little makeup, like where I'm not going there to wear makeup. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish packing that, and we're gonna be all set with those. And then I'm just gonna put these swimsuits over it just in case if I like throw it or something. And yeah, I'm gonna put that in and close it up. And we are all packed. Yay! This is the bag I'm gonna give my boyfriend. This is the bag I'm taking on the plane. And this is the bag I'm also taking on the plane. Wow, my hair's ridiculous right now. It's a little crazy, but I'm gonna shower soon. If you guys want a what is in my carry-on bag video, definitely let me know, and that is something that could happen. I'm so excited. I'm definitely gonna post like a Florida vlog or montage video or something like that. I am going to end this packing with me video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this style vlog. I wanted to give it the best of both worlds. Like, wow, my lipstick's like coming off too. I wanted to do a pack with me video, but I wanted to do it vlog style. I think those are so much fun as well, and I love vlogging. So that is it for this video. As I said before, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you guys aren't subscribed already to join my little fam, and also click the notification bell so you guys don't miss out whenever I post another video. I sound congested. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm actually might be getting sick or getting a cold for Florida. I'm freaking out, but I'm so excited. I need this vacation. I'm going with some amazing people, and it's gonna be a good time. And you know what? That is a wrap because my AC just turned on, so I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.
One, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling because he's drunk and alone.